Hello, my YouTube family. I hope you're doing great today. In this video, we're going to learn how to make a Nigerian bread bun. But before we go into details, I'll be right back. If you're coming into my channel for the first time, my name is Lydia. If this is the first time you're watching my video, my name is Lydia. This video is part of a long video that I made. So I was able to do like 3 minutes part of the long video. And this video actually is not well detailed. So if you are here to learn how to make a Nigerian bread bun, I'm going to leave a link to a full detailed video. It's up to 6 minutes, not that much, that long, it's just 6 minutes, and that will take you to all my tricks and the hacks and how I made this beautiful thing you're seeing here. Okay, but if you're okay with what I have here, that's okay. Stay back and enjoy the video. My a hug to all my subscribers and my viewers, returning viewers, and everyone around me. I love you guys and appreciate everything that you're doing to help me in my journey as a content creator, as a YouTuber. So have a great day until we meet again. Bye.